All right, Charlotte, let's go. First turn, brake, trail brake at the 1 and aim for the blue apex here. You need to modulate the accelerator here depending on how close you are to the wall. If you touch the wall, you're gonna like slow down like for a second. Here, you can take this full throttle, but you really need to get close to the wall, or you'll to the left wall, or else you'll hit the right wall. You can use here, like I upshift to 4. That turns in the car a bit more. I did that here a bit early. It's usually better to do it a bit later, so you use more of the track. Now hit the left side of the road, and then here I've seen people do different things. People take sometimes a line through the middle of the road. I found the best for me is just slightly lift and start trail braking right as you go under the sign, and just keep the car like very stable. And then like you play with accelerator, so you take this next corner with the best angle. You want to like get on the throttle as early as possible. Alright. Same thing, we're gonna take the next turn full throttle. And then here the trick, this whole sequence is probably the most important in this track. So very important to hit this next right turn close to the wall. So one thing I didn't do for a long time here, and that when I started doing it helped me, is flip the throttle and this downshift. Looks like the car will turn it a bit more. That helps me hit the wall here. And then like full throttle, hit that inside. We lift a bit here. And then depending on where you are, sometimes you'll have to lift, sometimes you try to brake. You have to get an angle so you get on the accelerator as soon as possible. This most important turn of the track because we have a really long section in the oval now. In the oval, you want to be right in this blue line. You can get on the flat side of the oval, and the car will go a bit faster. But then you'll have a harder time getting on the turns, and you probably, I mean, I don't see anybody do it, and I've not consistently got any better time by doing it, so I just haven't tried enough. So you get on the inside, touch on the blue line, and now we set ourselves up for the first chicane. Braking point about 1.5 between the 1 and the 2. You have to shift down into third gear. You need to aim the car so that you're gonna go over this curb, but you don't want to touch the second curb. If you touch the second curb, the car is not going to turn in. So aim the car like just to hit the rip piano there. And what I do here, let's do it again. So basically, brake once the car is set. Like sometimes I can accelerate a little bit, go over the bump, and immediately brake again, trail brake, so you can turn, and then get on the accelerator as soon as possible. So let's do it all again. Okay, here you can be a bit cheeky, like just go straight here. And again, you can ride the line a bit, You can get a few maybe a few hundredths of a second by doing it like a tighter turn. Now, last chicane, I tried to brake. There's a small change of color in the grass, or there's two like horizontal lines I see, like just about the first one. Again, one trick here is you can use this section of the grass, the darker one. I don't know if it's turf or something else. You can use it to open the angle of the next chicane a bit. But be careful, if you touch the light part of the grass, that's a 1x. Okay, and here the trick is, okay, so what we do here is we downshift into third, and we need to take, you're gonna have to go over both bumps, but if you touch the red, that's gonna be a 1x. So there's a line that goes through both turns. So let's see this from the outside camera. Yep, that's pretty much how you want to do it. And that's 133.6, which is decent. The fastest guys do 132s, but that's pretty much the best I've done. Low 133. All right.